South County Commons, mattress locations everywhere, and Cardi's.com.
Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. WHJJ, Providence, an iHeartRadio station.
I'm Bill George in the News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM News Center. We are waiting for the daily briefing from Governor Raimondo and Dr. Alexander Scott about the latest on the coronavirus. We will bring that to you live as soon as it starts from the State House. Meanwhile, let's get a check on headlines here on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
I'm Jim Gagliardi, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here are the top local stories we're following. Now 6 businesses in Providence shut down for violating a ban on gatherings of more than 10 people. Mayor Alorza calls it irresponsible to ignore the city's attempts to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Those businesses will not be allowed to reopen without permission from the city's board of licenses. Medium security unit at the ACI is in lockdown because 3 inmates showed flu-like symptoms. Department of Corrections spokesman says because of the coronavirus, every precaution is being taken to keep the prison population safe. The ill inmates are in isolated medical housing and being tested for COVID-19. There are many new coronavirus restrictions at Naval Station Newport. Operating hours have been changed, events have been canceled, access to many services on the base suspended or reduced to minimize chances for exposure. In addition to restaurants and bars, all 20 bowling alleys in Rhode Island are now closed because of the coronavirus pandemic. Governor Raimondo also suggesting any gyms in the state that haven't already closed should do so immediately. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Rain will be steady and occasionally heavy through about 3 this afternoon, then taper to showers. Your high near 48. Overnight tonight, lows aren't going to drop all that far. Cloudy with a chance of showers. For Friday, cloudy with a chance of showers and a much warmer high of 67. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Kelly Bates on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Over 50% of the coronavirus cases in the U.S. come from 3 states. I'm Pam Puso, Fox News. One of those target states, New York, with a count for cases 4,000.
Why are you seeing the numbers go up? Because you are taking more tests. People see those numbers go up, they get nervous.
Governor Andrew Cuomo says one key to combating the virus is density reduction. That means keeping more New Yorkers out of the workplace. As testing capacity increases, the need for critical supplies is also on the rise.
What we're doing is we're working with local governments, with states, governors, even mayors, on getting them to be able to get what they need. And the system is starting to work out very well. But we had to break a system, like breaking an egg, because the system we had was obsolete and didn't work.
President Trump saying in terms of treatments, a couple of drugs look promising. With many Americans hurting both medically and financially, lawmakers in Washington are weaving stimulus plans together. Fox's Rachel Sutherland is live in Washington.
And Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says Republicans are getting close to a $1 trillion package that includes money in the bank of millions of Americans. Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer says he's ready to work with the Republicans, but added,
believe that whatever proposal emerges, and it will be bipartisan, that it must be a workers' first proposal.
Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin says payments would be $1,000 per adult and $500 per child. This third wave of relief also includes loans for small businesses and help for larger industry. Pam?
Thank you, Rachel. On Wall Street, the Dow in positive territory. America's listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by the T.J. Martell Foundation.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
We've got a very good ride on I95 South. It's about 5 minutes from the S-Coast to downtown. No incidents following your ride on 146 North. And you're looking good on 295 North between 95 and
easy.
It's a crime to pay more than a dime. One dime down. Every new Route 6 Kia.
And if you're worried about credit, forget about it. It's a credit, approve a time.
If you bring home $350 a week, you can get up to $25,000 in credit. 25 grand. With just one dime down.
Yeah, what's noise? Not your whole tax return.
New Route 6 Kia, Rios, Sorrentos, Souls, and more. Thousands off MSRP.
It's a crime to pay more than a dime.
One dime down.
At Route 6 Automall Kia.
In Smoky.
Route6Automall.com. Route6Automall.com.
It cooks that season at Bass Pro Shops in Cabela's. Time to prep, do the research, hit the water, find the perfect spot, and set the hook. Gear up for fishing at Bass Pro Shops in Cabela's. With top brands like Johnny Morris Rod and Reel, XPS, and Nitro, along with in-store events and seminars. Your adventure starts here. Shop in-store or online. At 106, I am Bill George in the News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM newsroom. We are still awaiting today's briefing from Governor Raimondo and the Department of Health Director, Dr. Alexander Scott. We'll bring that to you live once it begins. Meanwhile, we'll get you back to the Rush Limbaugh program here on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Now, from the formerly blue state of Pennsylvania, heard on WHB 580 Harrisburg, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome today's guest host, Ken Matthews.
What a day, what a week. Exciting news tomorrow. Open Line Friday with America's Anchorman. Rush will be back tomorrow. My name's Ken, and sitting in for Rush Limbaugh today. And very excited to have Dr. Brett Malone on, a surgeon and chief medical officer at Geisinger Holy Spirit Hospital, Central PA. And it's just great to have someone that has a handle on the medical end of things, especially it's changing so quickly. And it's interesting, Doctor, because when we went to break, I don't know if you heard, but a story just broke in New York. Their cases jumped to 4,000 overnight, which goes to what you said about the doubling. Now, what does that mean to you when you hear that? Does that mean that in New York, maybe that it's more out of control than other areas, or what?
Yeah, I think the messaging from Mayor de Blasio is not as good as the messaging from Governor Cuomo and the President. And I think, you're delivering a message here today that people need to take this seriously and confine themselves away from each other and not let this virus take that kind of leap. So we've got 11,000 cases in the United States today. In a week, we'll have 44,000. In 3 weeks, we'll have 750,000. And in a month, we'll have 3 million. Unless the people of America understand that the mitigation and suppression of this virus is in their hands, the doctors and nurses can't do this. The politicians can't do it for them. They've got to get off the beaches in Florida, and they've got to take this outbreak seriously.
Well, those are some terrifying numbers. I almost stopped you because, but it's up to us. At the end of the day, it gets back to how do you want to take care of yourself? Do you want to risk going to the concert, risk being on the bus? I know the airlines are very cooperative right now. We have the travel bans. Do you think our travel ban, and you hear, and I'm bringing you into a little bit of a controversy here, you hear so many people criticizing what President Trump did at the very beginning, but to me, based on the map, it looks like shutting it down in China and containing it there before it had a chance to go crazy here was a smart move.
Oh, absolutely. And limiting travel from Europe, which is now the epicenter of this crisis, was critical. The situation in Italy is very bad, almost post-apocalyptic, and actually Spain is going to be worse than Italy. They're behind them just a few days. So not having the transfer of that virus from hotbeds of Europe and from China gave us a head start to be as ready as we can be.
Are you confident in the